All right, and we are
Are live!
live.
Buhay, buhay, buhay!
Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon or good
Mm,
evening, good morning or what? Good night
good
to
night, yeah.
to uh, to all
Bigat,
people
alam niyo apo, kanrabi iyo.
wherever
Takabsat.
you may be. Yes,
Yes.
it is evening or afternoon right now here in Northern California. It's
Mhm.
5:59 in the evening or
6
p.m.
o'clock, sabihin mo na, 1
6
minute na
o'clock.
lang.
Yes, 6 o'clock.
6
It's
o'clock yan.
Tuesday, September 3.
And our day 8 of this
No,
90.
day
Oh, day
7.
7. Yeah, yeah, my bad. Sorry.
Today's our day 7. Day
Day
7 of our
7
90-day success challenge.
challenge.
Yes. So, I got distracted a little bit there. But
Mm-hmm.
we tried a different time this time because um, we tried to do it every morning, but this time it just didn't fit, or we were just so
Hindi,
busy with
hindi
our
naman busy.
parenting stuff.
Yeah,
No, we went somewhere.
grocery.
We did our
Kasi
grocery
nag-grocery,
and
pick
stuff.
up the kids, kaya
Yeah, so
hindi na isingit. And
it just
then
yeah.
now, this is the right
So it's the
time.
right time, but it's hard. It's hard because if you have the kids, so don't be surprised if you see one of our kids just peeking and saying hi to
Mhm.
us.
Makikigulo rin.
Hindi lang si Yana ang pwedeng mag-peek. Sino yan?
Sino yan? Nagpipik na yan.
Sino yung nagpipick na yan?
Oh.
Ah, oh, it's okay. Again, it's September 3rd right now. It's the Burr month. Still early Burr month. And
Ano yung
if you
famous song niya? Whenever
ever
I
see
see boys and girls.
Alright. So,
Na lantern.
maagang Pasko
Yeah.
sa mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas,
Mhm.
or even the Filipinos out here. Um, it's we celebrate our Christmas early, so
Mhm.
that's Jose Marichan out there picking.
Mhm.
Anyway, so again, it is our day
Day
7,
7.
right? Day 7. And our today's task is actually, it says there, just reflect on our week 1 insights. So, just
Oh,
a recap.
week 1 na
Week
pala
one,
tayo.
7th day na eh. So for 6 days, there's
Mhm.
different topics that we tackled. So when during our first day, we did pretty much we just just introduction, what we why
Introduction
we did
ourselves
why we decided to do this 90-day success challenge. We talk about our background and what inspired us.
to this journey.
Yes. And then
Mhm.
so I was just going through the topics that we had that time, like goals and objectives, and then importance of consistency, and then the motivational quote. And
Mhm.
yesterday we did the discuss about the morning routine that we have.
Mhm.
So what can you say, Daddy? What have you, so from all those topics, ano ba ang parang what ano ba, nag-stick sa'yo, or ano yung insight mo? Ano yung natutunan mo, or is there something new that you've learned, or that something that parang mas nag-resonate, or nag-stick sa'yo during those the past few days?
Yeah, definitely what inspired us we derive on this digital business is because of our family and yung kwan din yung my big why is when your kid told you why are you not working.
Mhm.
That's my one
So
reason
pretty
and
much, yeah,
then
our
and then
kids, our families are why.
and then
Uh-huh.
yung being consistency.
Being consistent, yeah.
Yeah, na at least we have to show talaga na to be model with this business, show to our business partners and
Show up,
future
yeah.
to our future business partners too na we are dedicated talaga with this business.
Mm-hmm.
And then yun yung motivational motivational quote by sa Bible verse ng
Yeah.
Philippians 4:13, I can
Mm,
do all
all
things
things through
through
Christ
Christ which
strengthens me.
strengthens me by. Yan din ang famous verse ni Stephen Curry. Warriors.
Let me just say hi to Carol. Thank you, Carol, for watching and catching us to in our live.
Mm-hmm.
Siguro morning right now out there, right? Good morning sa'yo. So, ano ba? So, actually, for me, so it's, well, I'll try to sum it up. Ano ba?
Mm-hmm.
So, we did our 90-day success challenge because, first off, we want to challenge ourselves. We want to, have some improvement,
Mm-hmm.
some personal growth, see some personal growth, professional growth in ourselves, right? We want to build our confidence. This is public speaking, so I want to see myself actually personally. For me, I would like to be able to challenge myself to continue to deliver my message in English as much as
Mm-hmm.
possible. But there's still some ways where sometimes where or most of the time, iba kasi 'di ba pag meron pa rin yung mga Filipino words natin na hindi ang hirap i-explain in English, right? But at least be able to confidently share our thoughts, express ourselves by doing this go live.
Mm-hmm.
Plus,
Oh yeah,
we
shout
want
out pa yung kuwan.
shout outs.
Yung kuwan sa group natin with our business partner who happened
Oh
to
yeah.
have
So, sige, pinaalala mo na. So
yeah,
actually, we want to shout out to
congratulate. Yeah.
congratulate my sister. Congratulations, you have
Christine
for submitting a contract,
contract.
big
Yeah,
contract right
and
now,
at the same time we congratulate
and for having a new business
partner.
partner.
Yes,
We welcome Jinky in our team.
Jinky.
Jinky, if you're watching,
Welcome aboard.
congratulations
And
in taking and welcome. Thank you for
take
congratulations in taking that leap
leap
of
of
faith,
faith.
taking that
Yes.
first step in joining our this digital business.
Business.
We can't wait to see you succeed in this business, and
Yes.
together we will
Welcome aboard,
yeah,
and
we will succeed together in this business.
we're here to help you, and we pray also for your success.
Yes. Just know that we are always here for you. Okay.
Yeah, just one contact away.
Yes.
Super.
We are we are here for
Uh-huh.
you. We are a team here.
Mm-hmm.
So just reach out. Don't be shy.
Yeah.
Plus what? So and we told you guys about what inspired us, right?
Mm-hmm.
What inspired us is actually our whys is actually our kids. So my main reason why I joined this business is because I want to achieve time freedom,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because in my case, because I'm a nurse, and I have two different jobs. And even before that, actually, prior to that, I have somewhat like three jobs because I was in the military. I'm a veteran now. And so just always working, working, working every time nonstop, just having one day off, or sometimes don't have any day off is not good for your health. It's not good for your relationship, for your family. I'm losing time with my kids, with my family, and what
Mm-hmm.
lost time is wasted time, right?
Yeah, wasted time. You cannot go
Yeah.
back anymore.
Yes. So, and I don't want that. My kids are actually I had that experience when I was young, where my dad is always working, and I don't like that situation because we seldom have family time,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to break that cycle. So I have to make a change, right? I have to do
Mm-hmm.
something about it. And so
Yes.
anyway, so that's my one of my reasons. So and we mentioned we actually had multiple side hustles before, and but we ended up getting to this digital business because those side hustles before us actually, yes, it's providing some supplemental income to
Mm-hmm.
us, but it's taking time away again from my family. So like I said, time freedom is actually what I'm aiming for.
Yeah, passive
And
income.
the good thing in is in this business is you can the flexibility, right?
Mhm,
Flexibility of it. You can do it anywhere, anytime, as long as you have your phone with you. Since
mhm,
we mostly have our phone with us, or mostly doing checking your social media. This business is very ideal if you are, and that's it. If you do that a lot, because it's just you just put few minutes, maybe an hour to do this business every day. A lot, maybe 1 hour is a lot already, but that's it. That's all that you do, and this business already gonna
mhm.
um is gonna work. Hold on, sorry, we're trying to adjust our camera because
Okay.
of the lighting out there.
At least yun, sun
Yeah,
rays. So,
so time freedom, being an employee, how can you get time freedom? You can't, right? Because you're subject to your boss.
I know, I remember those days nung nagwo-work ako. Ang hirap to get
Mhm.
off, especially when you guys are planning out to go out.
Yeah, take a
Eh,
vacation.
and then they will say, "Oh, hindi pa mag-a-ask ka ng vacation leave and then hindi pa ma-approve.
Yeah,
Oh,
no
oh,
guarantee.
wait for a while.
Yeah,
Maghihintay ka for a week para
especially
ma-approve."
especially for holidays. At least dyan sa Pilipinas, we know that most of the time, if it's Christmas time, it's like holiday for most people.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't really worked in the Philippines, but I don't know. Do you guys
Yeah,
have days
at least in
off,
the
or
Philippines, when you work at the Philippines,
if it's Christmas, it's closed?
i- yeah, it's close. And then
Mm.
plus, Kwan, even if you're working there, right right na yung paglabas mo na from work, oh, nandiyan na yung mga street vendors. You could see some mga banderitas, mga
So you feel like you're
yeah.
also still on vacation, something like that.
Mhm.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Holiday, yeah.
Mhm.
But here, oh my goodness, I can remember my very first Christmas, since we're talking about, we had Jose Marichan and it's a
Mhm.
bare month. I remember my very first teka, my very
Dito pa.
first
Yeah.
takpan ko na lang daw. My very first Christmas here in the US. Um I feel like it was the saddest day of my life during that time. Because you know how, of course, you're so used to how Christmas is celebrated in the Philippines. So that day, I was I had work. I had to, and I had to close the store during that night. So I
Gusto mo
closed the store.
lipat
I
na lang tayo
remember.
to. Lipat tayo.
Um, Teka lang. Sige, i-pause natin ng konti daw. Lipat lang daw ko kami. Hold on for a sec.
Huwag mo na i-pause.
Oh, sige. Hindi, ikaw
Sige,
mag-countdown
sige.
tayo saglit. Hold on.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Stay there. Okay. Saan ka?
Doon.
Ito?
Galing mo dyan.
Ayan.
Hindi. Dyan.
Mm.
Dito, lagyan mo dito.
Okay, di iikot muna natin sila. Oh, yan ang backyard po namin.
Yeah,
Mahirap. Ayun. We have a table there. Pagpasensyahan niyo na po. Naiirita si Mister sa sa ilaw.
Oo. Hindi, plus sila rin na naaarawan.
Naarawan ba?
Mm.
Masisilaw
Mhm.
sila sa akin. But anyway, yeah, so it was the saddest day of my life, I said, during that time, because I was expecting a lot for my very first Christmas. I said, very first Christmas in the US. I was expecting, when we celebrate our Christmas by yung Bisperas, 24, right?
Mhm.
Midnight, that's when we supposed to have our Noche Buena,
Mhm.
right? But I went to work that night of 24. We have to meet in one of our relatives' house. But when I got there, it's still not midnight. It's before midnight when I got there. But when I got there, they already
Hold on
ate
lang.
their dinner. Gifts were already open. It's like everyone is almost ready to go to sleep. So I'm like, wow, this is Christmas out here. So it's very sad for me. That was I can't forget about that. Um, but again, as time goes by, Christmas changes out here. Having your own family, it's how you celebrate. It's up to you how you if you want that to change, you have to make some changes, right? So of course, we try our best as mother and dad for our kids to try to, since we grew up in the Philippines, and we know how the tradition is in the Philippines, and we like the kids to experience the tradition or our tradition in the Philippines. So we try to
Pinatay ko muna yung sprinkler.
we try
Baka-
Well,
Baka
mababasa
biglang
tayo.
turn
We
on.
try to imitate, or we try to at least do what we do in the Philippines. So far, I think our kids have been enjoying their Christmas, because
Mhm.
that's what we're doing recently. Anyway, asan na tayo? Ano ba yung nasabi natin? Oh, goals and objectives, of course. Again, our goals. So ano bang what did we say our goals in this digital business? Of course, so time freedom,
Time
but of
freedom to
course,
improve
no, for this
habang
90
business.
days, hopefully we had improved, right?
Mhm.
And plus um we'll be able to encourage, inspire our fellow business partners
Mhm.
to continue. Because, I mean, this our business. In any business naman po, in any business, you will face some challenges, right? It's not easy. Legit business is not a it's not a
Overnight.
an overnight success.
Yeah, an overnight
It's
success.
not. So it can be slow, but you know uh
Kaya
pero that as you when you continue, when you so yung topic about the consistency, if you are consistent in showing up for your business, then your business will flourish, right? Showing up and growing it, taking care of it. And we think and we believe that one way to grow our business is by challenging ourselves to do this. Because actually, we just, di ba, napanood lang natin yung
Yeah.
live ng isang coach sa business sa business natin, si Coach Mildred.
Coach Mildred, yeah.
Very inspiring.
Yeah.
Sabi niya na, you know, actually para sa kanya, hindi dapat daw option yung pag-go live. Kasi kung nakikita mo na nagiging successful yung mga tao because they're doing that, then why don't you do it too? Sabi niya gano'n. Kasi daw, yes, sa umpisa talaga, even herself, she was actually very shy person. She also worried about, she doesn't have the confidence to show herself in front of the camera. Pero she learned it. She learned how to do it kasi you have to kasi follow the examples or experiences of the successful people. Kung napapadala ka sa sa fear mo, and if you don't if or napapadala ka sa comfort zone mo, walang mangyayari sa iyo.
Yeah.
You have to make a change in order for change to happen. You want success, you see other people being successful by doing other things. 'Di ba, yung tinuturo sa atin, or our coaches out here, our mentors have been telling us, have been teaching us about duplication. You want to be successful, duplicate those what successful people are doing. So kung if that's what it takes for you to be successful, then try to do it. You won't know if something will happen, if you will be, or if whatever you're doing, like this doing go live, will help you if you don't try it. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what we're trying to do right now. We're challenging ourselves, testing, but also though we have the faith that or actually just kasi pag dito sa pag-go live naman um you know, you it you think that parang nakaharap ka lang na parang sa yung sasabi ni Mr. Nung ko na parang mahirap kasi talaga naman mahirap pag mag-isa mo lang na nagsasalita because it feels like para kang you look like crazy person, may nakikinig pa sa
Mm-hmm.
akin, everything. But if you think that by doing so you'll be able to inspire other people, then do it. Kasi actually your story uh, could surely inspire other people, encourage other people, um, or other people can resonate with you with your story.
No, yan na.
That's what we're do. That's why we're doing this. My husband already mentioned about our favorite verse, yung I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and which is one of the things that we keep sticking in our mind. You know, if others can, why can't we?
Mm-hmm.
And since we know that God is with us, then we know that we can be successful. Because you know, yung verse na yun, I can do all things through Christ, right? Um, and then ano pa? Sensya na po, narinig yung mga anak namin. They already it's playtime.
Yeah.
But anyway, I hope we during those this first week, the past few days, we were able to encourage, inspire you guys. And I just actually it's starting to um so far it's easy topics right now, but we know because we already see it in our some of our business partners that the topics are gonna get harder, and um like we can't wait can't wait to get there because it's nice, it's exciting because it makes us think, it makes us it challenges us, it gives ang tawag nito, there's I can
Mm-hmm.
see a little bit of yung kasi sabi namin the good thing about this 90-day challenge is it can change your mindset, right? And so far it's slowly, it's slowly
Mm-hmm.
um kasi parang it makes you think how are you going to apply
Yeah.
a topic for in your life and in the business, and it can change your mindset. But what else would we want to say, Nadi?
Sorry kung exit, enter ako, enter, exit tapos enter ako ng kwan. Para kung Jose Marichan na
Susulpot-sulpot.
sumusulpot-sulpot. So,
Ayan na naman si Marichan, no?
so yeah, what I can say is check our business, check our website, do your homework. Just like I would like to share yung lalo na yung parang example ko lang because we both work in the airport, because you know how to do the background check, right? Sa airport, submit mo lahat ng mga requirements, and then you have to submit yung mga previews for the past 10 years na kung saan ka nakatira. So back all the way in the Philippines, kasi nag-start ako 2015 and 2012 ako nagpunta rito, 2015 ako nag-start nag-work. So covered pa yun until back in the Philippines. So you have to submit all those one para i-background check ka nila talaga.
So what my husband is telling you guys is because we're inviting you to check our
yeah,
business,
if you are still
and do your homework
do-
if that's what it takes.
Mhm.
Do your background check about our digital business.
Yeah.
Because we're doing this live because we are not ashamed.
And we are confident
confident
that this business is very 100% legit.
and we're broadcasting it because we
Yes.
want to be able to help others, right?
Mhm.
We want to help you. Maybe this is the job, maybe this is the solution that you're looking for.
Uh-huh. And
And
kaya na sabi ko nga, puspusan silang mag-background check dun sa airport. Ganun din ang gawin nyo. Do your homework. Busisiin nyo kung busisiin nyo itong business namin. And we guarantee.
pero talaga,
Say it's
before you can
100%, yeah.
even how would you know it, right? How
Yeah.
would you be able to do your background check if you won't even do the very first step, which is to register and watch that free webinar?
Free webinar, yeah.
Yeah. So it's hard when you are already I mean, it's okay to be skeptical, right? When we
Yeah, we are once
were
too
skeptical too, and being skeptical is actually it's just
it's part of your as a human being na
human
syempre,
nature. Yeah,
you need to be protective.
right.
Nature
Right.
talaga natin yan.
Mhm.
Once you get into kasi change or once you go to yung parang
Something
panibagong
new out of your comfort
or
zone,
panibagong
or-
adventure,
yes,
you need to check first.
you have to be cautious.
Yeah, cautious ka muna.
Yes.
Just like i-surveillance mo muna.
Yeah.
If is it safe? Dito ba tayo dadaan kung safe dito? Tapos pala bangin yan. They don't
Mhm.
kasi we know there's a lot of people are yung mga mangguguyo,
Mhm.
mga manluloko diyan. Yes. And I would like to acknowledge ito si Ate Lyra.
Hello, Ate Lyra.
Hello guys, I love your background. Country feels. Sabi niya gano'n.
Hello, Ate.
Parang nasa lang kami. Sa Balatok lang. Parang may saraisa kami dito sa taas. Ayan.
Thank you for our 2 million viewers right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, so check our website. We are not a scam. We are not MLM. We are not pyramid, right? But if you can't take my word yet, that's what my husband is saying. Check it out yourself. But of course, you have to do the first step first. You have to
you have to do the first step first.
you have to
Because how could you
check it out. You have to get in first. Parang punta ka muna, pasok ka muna sa gate. Hindi mo pa you did not even do you did not pay or you didn't get to the entrance pa lang. May entrance fee pa nga rin.
Parang kwan lang yan eh. Parang kumbaga ikaw, crush kita. Dadaan-daanan ko lang yung bahay mo. Dadaan-daanan ko lang yung bahay mo. Kasi nahihiya ko. And then if you gather that yung lakas ng loob, then yun, punta ka na, kakatok ka na dun sa bahay ng crush
Pero
mo.
kung dadaan-daan ka lang,
kung dadaan-daan ka lang, walang mangyayari. How would she know na yung purpose mo, crush mo pala siya, gusto mo manligaw, right? Just like this one, parang dadaan-daanan mo lang dito sa screen namin, sa newsfeed namin. Nothing will happen if you keep on scrolling it. Pero like what I said nga, kung nag-gather mo na lahat ng strength mo na, yung lakas ng loob mo, to knock on that door para ipahiwatig mo sa crush mo na na mahal mo siya. Diba? Yung mga ganung example lang eh. Diba? Just click that button. Put your name, register your email, and then check our webinar, free webinar. Then once you get into the next step, PM us, message us, and we will guide you all the way.
Yeah, because
And we have to acknowledge natin si Kwan.
Sino?
Hello, Ate Jackie.
Hi, Ate Jackie. Hello.
Hi.
Like your hacienda. Hacienda. Maliit na hacienda, ate. Hi, Ate Jam.
Sabi
Hello.
ni Ate Lyra, galing nyo guys. Sabi niya gano'n.
Kala ko saan mapupunta yung kwento niyang crush eh.
Like your hacienda. Siyempre, example lang naman yun. Ganun naman talaga yun eh. Kung dadaan-daanan mo lang, pasulyap-sulyap ka lang na pagganyan sa crush mo.
Tumigil ka na.
Kung pasulyap-sulyap ka lang, di walang mangyayari, right?
May mabubuking dito.
Paano niya malalaman yung kuhan mo, di ba? ano yun, pamisteri-misteri ka na kuan na
Parang Tutsi Guevara lang, pasulyap-sulyap.
sulyap ka
Hindi,
lang.
ikon tayo
No.
ngayon. Patungkol
You need
tayo.
to direct.
Ba't napunta sa pasulyap-sulyap? Andito tayo kasi si Marichan today.
Oh,
You
tignan mo
know,
si Jose Marichan,
hello.
gumaganyan-ganyan pa. By the time September na, then lumabas na si Jose Marichan, right?
Oh,
We miss you too, Ate Jao.
balik ka na. Balik ka na. Hayaan
ano
nyo na
ba?
lang yung sumusulyap.
Oh.
Yeah. No, but then no, because so we're sharing this to you guys because since we joined, we've already been what 10 months in this business,
10 months lang.
and our business had given us a lot of benefits already. Nung umpisa, ang sabi lang namin, okay, I mean, kasi one goal at a time. You know, that time, sabi namin, sige, join kami.
Nakita niyo daw si JMC.
Sinong GMC? Jose Marichan. We joined because we said, okay, let's see for tax write-off purposes for now.
Yes.
Kasi for those who I think many nurses can relate to this kasi nga nasa nurse ako. Especially here in California. Medyo malaki-laki ng konti ang ano namin, ang sweldo. At the end of the year, we're always most nurses are paying taxes, big taxes at the end of the year. So having a side hustle, something that where it can help you tax write off things, lower your taxes, is a big help.
Yeah, why
So,
not grab that opportunity
So umpisa,
tax write-off?
tingnan nyo skeptical na kami for 7 months. Took us 7 months before we joined this business. But even when we joined, of course, hindi pa kami fully, parang sure. Parang ganun ba? Parang siguro more than 50% we were in.
We
But
didn't
then
get engaged 100%.
it's hard to really be, parang hindi kami as confident yet to talk about it because we're still learning about the business. And at the same time, of course, parang slowly na palang namin nakikita o nararamdaman yung mga
idea
and benefits of it. So we started with the tax write-off, sabi namin. And last year, the tax season, nag-submit kami and yes, lahat ng yung investment namin, na tax write-off namin, bumalik. Right? Malaking refund.
Oh yeah.
Malaking refund. So,
kahit yun lang muna yung goal nyo with this business, on the write-off. Kasi, alam nyo, with this here sa abroad, alam nyo naman sa abroad, lalo na US, Canada, puruin yung mga taxes natin.
Na
and then binabayaran. Napupunta lang lahat kay Uncle Sam.
Yeah.
And then
we think that when we
do overtime, kala mo may marami ka ng ganito na makukuha, but not. Parang tinanabahuan mo pa si Uncle Sam.
Na doble pa, mas marami ka pang, so mas malaking kita mo, mas malaki rin ng taxes.
Yeah.
So parang wala, parang ang na-double feeling mo, parang na-double tax ako, parang ganun yung feeling kasi nga na-tax ka na nga, yung during your yung pagkatanggap mo ng ng pay stub mo, paycheck mo, parang kalahati lang nakuha mo sa sweldo mo, sa gross mo. Tapos at the end of the year, magbabayad ka pa ulit.
Yes.
Napakasakit.
Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie. Kaya lalong hindi lumalalim yung bulsa natin eh. Parang ano tawag na? Umiiksi na yung bulsa natin instead na palalim eh. Ano ba talaga yung mga examples ko, no? Pero but it's one.
And
ito, sabi ni Mentor Lian, yes, we are skeptical too, and that is normal because we are
just being cautious.
Yes, but nothing will change
if you
change
nothing. Yun. Nabi ko na.
Yun.
Pareho, right?
Walang mangyayari kung walang gagawin.
Yeah. Nothing changes if nothing changes. But then so that was us that when we started, and then we had a good so we had a big refund because of this digital business, right? There's a lot of things you can write off out here.
Yes, hindi
As
hindi
in,
siya limited.
your travels. Naku po.
Oh,
If
travels.
you like to travel a lot, I mean that's one of our dream. Pero tignan niyo po kasi
Your
medyo, syempre, I just had my baby.
your plane ticket,
So may marami pa kami maliliit na
yung
bata.
hotels
So,
mo doon, while staying there, your food, or your expenses there, mga nabili mong gadgets o nabili mong souvenirs.
it's a lot. There's a lot that you can
Yeah,
claim
and
kasi
then
nga um
regarding at home naman, your bills, your utilities.
mhm. It's considered a work from home, right?
Yes.
So you can even claim an
Office
office
dito sa bahay
on
mo.
one of
Eh,
your
ito, backyard
rooms.
namin. Tingnan mo, ang lawak ng office namin.
No, but
Yan. And
there's a lot. You just need to
your phone, your data, your
pero
laptop.
kailangan magaling yung tax preparer mo.
Yes.
But anyway,
Oh,
but it is tax registered po. So hindi ka mag-aalangan na
yeah.
ka-claim ng
Yes.
mga
'Cause there's a
tax
proper
write-off na to because
documentation kasi
mhm,
registered tayo
registered naman tayo. May
sa
W9 po.
IRS ba?
Yeah, may W9 po na fill out. So,
Yeah,
wow, right?
W9. Yes.
I mean, I was part of MLM before. You know, I joined an MLM business before. And hindi ko naisip yung mga ganun. No, they did not have me fill out a W9. I was thinking just, you know, when I joined the business, I was just thinking about the possible supplemental income that it will come. But nobody told me about the possible tax write-off.
Because you know why? Hindi sila maka-question yung mga networking company and MLM. Kaya hindi sila naka-question.
Mm.
Dahil, sabi lang naman ng sa guideline, sabi, basta mabalik mo lang yung 10% nung nag-invest, which is, babalik sa'yo through products. So, ibig sabihin, binalik na sa'yo yung 10% na yun, ikaw na bahala ng kung paano mo trabahuin.
Ganun ba?
Ganun yun. Kaya wala kang kasi nga, siyempre, i-complain mo sila. Eh, sasabihin nila sa'yo, oh no, we return 10% of your investment through products. O di benta mo yun, sabi nila gano'n, ibenta mo yung mga products na yun, kikita ka, and then, tsaka mo makukuha yung in-invest mo.
Mhm.
Eh, di ba, ang hirap naman, di ba, yung gano'n? But with this one daw,
May 1099 form.
no-brainer.
Yeah, 1099 form. You will receive a 1099 form from the IRS or from the company at the end of the year. So that's something that you can add to your talagang, you know, you can submit that as part of your
sabi
tax.
nila, yung
taxes.
sinasabi kong
Tax.
gano'n. Because I was a networkers too. Networking sa Pilipinas.
So may idea siya.
Ganon yung background ng networking. It was maganda yung networking noon, pero some other networking companies kasi pangit yung binild nilang image. So they just they after lang only yung pocket nung yung mga nag-i-invest. Once they got it, then wala na. But with our digital business though, I guarantee you, once you be our business partner, hindi ka namin iiwan sa ere. Like what I said, hindi kami push and pull. We just pull everybody. Pull up everybody.
Plus, yung maganda pa kasi dito sa business na to,
Tulungan.
not only that, but it's global.
Yes,
so,
global. Malayong
so that's why,
wide.
going back to the tax write-off, akalain mo even your travels outside the country, you can tax write it off. Kasi nga, global yung business. Not only because it's digital, of course, being digital, meaning, you know, with your phone. So wherever you go, it's like the business is running, is going with you, right? But it's because also offices of this company they're global. So it's easy to how to call this defend yourself that you know that or justify yourself that your travels are is for business reason. Is because we're global. Our reach can be global. The offices are global. You can meet your possible business partners or already business partners that are actually coming from different areas of the world. So, yun yung sa umpisa. But then other benefits, of course, yung supplemental income right now, and we are thankful to God for His blessings kasi we reach a certain milestone where it's providing us enough or more than enough supplemental income. Now, right now, so I'm still on my maternity leave, but this is the first time that I'm not worried. And we were talking about, there was a verse from yesterday about being worried, about anxiety. Oh,
Mhm.
even though I keep and he's my reminder of that always, every time he reminds me, worrying is a sin, but it's part of our human nature. Sometimes
Mhm.
it's
You
easy
worry.
to get to be worried about something. Kasi ako yung breadwinner ng family, so I always try to think ahead, right? Financially, how are you gonna be in the next coming months, especially when if I'm on my maternity leave. Kasi po, the past few sa mga naunang anak ko po, I didn't have enough. So in here in the US, after 6 weeks, so if since it's a natural or vaginal birth, 6 weeks lang yung maternity leave ko, and if your company is going to allow you for baby bonding, kung meron yun na benefits nyo, then you can
Mhm.
have baby bonding. But sa
Mhm.
akin, wala. Tapos, wala kang bayad, or you have to use your PTO or yung mga leave ninyo and sick leave. Pero in my case, because I've been having like pregnancy complications before,
Mhm.
nagagamit ko na lahat yung mga oras na yun. So by the time I take my maternity leave, when I have the baby, wala na.
Yes.
So, kung wala kang ipon ahead of time, which is parang mahirap, of course, when as your tummy gets bigger, it's getting harder and harder to work. I cannot keep taking in more hours, which I tried. Nahiyak ako. The last pregnancy ko, I was trying hard to catch up with the hours kasi nga meron yung benefit na kung saan I have to um, uh, meet a certain number of hours in order to be eligible for the baby bonding or
Mhm.
yung bayad na maternity leave, but it requires me a lot of hours. And imagine that you're already big, your tummy's getting big, but you have to try to work more. So, ini-endanger ko ang health ko, ini-endanger ko yung health ng anak ko, di ba? Which is not really good. So, that's a problem when you're an employee. And it's a cycle. When you're an employee, you are bound to the rules of your boss.
Yeah.
Hindi ka maka-choose, right? And the only time you can choose, you have time freedom, or you can financial freedom, ganyan, or just be able to choose on your own is if you own the business, if you own it, if you're self-employed, right? Or yun nga, if you have your own business. So, and that's one of the reason why we, na-attract kami sa just having a business.
Mhm.
And like I said, thankfully, blessing ng Panginoon, we were able to have enough supplemental income. So actually, this is the only time that I'm planning to kasi extend my maternity leave kasi provided na
Yeah. Yeah.
provided na mas
We have the
kasi
option.
kasi I really feel
Ah,
bad. I really feel bad na hindi ako nakakaroon ng baby bonding
yeah.
sa mga anak ko.
At least
Parang
okay.
talaga lang as in kinarga ko lang sila sa tiyan ko, pero ito ang nanay nila. Because masakit kasi kung minsan
Yeah.
lalo na pag lumalaki sila
Yeah.
what they're closer to their dad, right?
Sabi natin Jow.
Yes, and less worried na ang ZAP. It's because of the business. Digibis, ito na nga at paupo-upo na lang. Yes, yes. So we are thankful to God that we were able to find this business. Hi, Mai, and who's this?
Marilu.
Marilu. Hi, hello. Thank you for watching. Thank you for our 3 million viewers,
Yeah,
5 million viewers.
Kaya ayun. Narinig ko nga mag-extend si Mrs. at least. Hindi ako mahirapan, hindi kasi we're talking about just a routine yesterday. Magiging tawag nito, mangingiba na naman ng routine ko once you go
Yeah,
to work.
kukunti
Pero
yung
pag nag-extend siya, at least
most of the time parang yun nga, parang
medyo
2 months lang yung maternity leave ko. Hindi enough time na mag-adjust yung bata.
medyo okay pa ako. Kaya
Mag-adjust si mister.
aha.
But yeah, so
So that's why
definitely
yun,
it's changing our life, right? It had changed a lot of lives
aha.
already. Many families have lives have changed, were changed by this digital business, and that's the reason why we're just so excited. We're just confident to talk about this and
Mhm.
excited to share to you guys what this digital business is. So allow us to be able to share it with you guys.
Mhm.
Let's see. Let's
Kung mo yung kaya
ayun. That's our website out there. That's the first step. Go visit our website. Check it out. Go to www.genozap.com.
Yes.
You put your name and your email there, and then you will get to watch our free webinar. Free.
Mhm.
Free webinar. Okay? Nag-start kami sa lahat sa ganyan. And then after that, you'll get to the step 2.
Yeah, pray for it sa
But
Panginoon
yes.
that you will have a plan B just like us. We have the option na, tignan mo si Mrs. mag-extend. Unlike before na hindi siya makapag-extend, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's it. Balik trabaho na siya.
Kasi totoo,
And then,
nabanggit ng Mr. ko the other day
Yeah,
nga
parang
postpartum depression
Yeah.
is very real. I had that every baby I have, I will go through it just because of that situation namin.
mhm.
I mean, that's actually, yes, it is our decision that he will be the one who will stay at home and ako ang breadwinner.
Minsan ako rin nagkaka-postpartum.
Anong postpartum mo? Anong postpartum depression mo?
Anyway, yun nga sabi ko nga, maganda pag may option kayo. Parang i-segue ko na naman to, parang pag-uulam ka. Ang pangit naman yung pani-adobo-adobo na lang. Subukan mo naman magsinigang. O subukan mo naman magpaksiw na isda. Ganun, para you have the other options. Oh, hi Jane.
Hi, Sister Shay.
Hi Jane. Hi Shay. For watching. Yun, o kaya magpinakbet ka. Yun na yun. Parang gano'n lang. Hindi yung parang nandyan ka lang parati sa comfort zone mo. Kung ano yung gusto mo lang kainin, yun lang. You have to, mag-explore ka rin ng ibang bagay.
And I don't know with you guys,
Mhm.
actually, I think sa akin, nabanggit namin sa background namin the past few days, nabanggit ko how my life was when we migrated here in the US. So many my immigrants out here, you start from you start just taking in whatever job you can find,
Mhm.
right? So nag-start ako sa and then I was young. But during that time, see, instead of just going to school, I have to go do full-time work and full-time sa school kasi
Mhm.
that's just the way how I can parang provide for myself or be able to go to school is I have to be at work. But anyway, I've been doing that. I've been here for 20 years in the US. Actually, I feel bad na kasi I feel like I was already too old to finish college.
Mhm.
So but kasi nagiging parang 'di ba paulit-ulit na gano'n na lang nangyayari sa atin dito because we were taught na sige through hard work, right, we will be successful, but then still have you yun yung tanong na have you ever seen an employee become rich? Sabi mo na yung word na rich
Mhm.
or become talagang ano ba yung other word na ano? But
Masagana
then
sa
have you
buhay.
seen them have time freedom?
No,
Di
there
ba?
are bond sa work
Hindi
nila.
eh. So even though I'm just doing nursing my nursing job for 6 years, sabihin ko sa inyo pagod na rin ako.
Mhm.
Even though I'm still young. Nahihiya man ako, sabi ko, because there's a lot of nurses out there, my coworkers who are more older than me.
Mhm.
I shouldn't complain. Pero in my years of experience na I've done other jobs,
Mhm.
na parang feeling ko nalaspag, tama ba yung word ko? Nalaspag ko na yung katawan ko.
Ngarag ka na, sabihin mo na lang ngarag.
Ngarag, hindi ko alam
Or
kung ano ba
ngarag ka
yun.
na, or
I
pagod ka na.
overused
Pagod ka na,
myself,
or
my
sabihin
body, right?
mong kuwan na lang.
Because at a young age, I already have chronic pains. Na actually to a point na
Sabi mo na na-abuse mo.
I abuse ko sarili ko. I have a provider. Nalaspag, sorry po. I don't know yung tamang word. I hope I did not
Kaya sabi ni
ano sabi?
sabi ni si Shea kulit ni Broken. Kasi seryoso siya tapos ako 'di ba kuwela, di para mix lang 'yan.
Pero yun nga, nasaan na ba ako?
Yun
No,
na-abuse mo
ayun
yung
yung sabi
sarili
nung
mo.
doktor nga, sabi niya, "My goodness," this is in the military, sabi niya,
Oh, hello
you're so
Manang
young, but
Odessa
your
again.
body is like a body of an old lady," sabi niya. Kasi they can see how thick my military, my not military, but my medical,
Ayoko nga,
record is.
ang kapal ng
No,
ganyan.
because just that, so and and plus, but I have 5 kids. So every time sa feeling ko, actually every time I do have a child, a kid, parang dagdag na ilang years, parang 5 years added to my yun ang feeling ko lang, added 5 years sa age ko, because it's just that your body is just
Mhm,
too weak na,
that's true. Kasi makina nga nag-o-overheat, tao pa kaya.
right? So,
Yeah, and
don't you want
hello.
a change?
Oh, hello, Manang Odessa. Hello, Bro Roger. Ano ba si
Hello
Bro?
po. Don't you want a change, 'di ba? And talaga sa change, in order for change to happen, you have to do the change, make the change, make the decision yourself.
Yeah, within you.
Magsa-start sa'yo. Magsa-start sa'yo. Of course, we mentioned here, that's why you pray. Pray about, if you're already noticing, seeing that problem in your life,
Mhm,
acknowledge it, but pray for God's help, pray for God's guidance, kasi ang Panginoon, mahal niya tayo, right?
mhm.
And alam niya yung desires ng puso natin. Siya ang ama natin, hindi niya rin gusto na nahihirapan tayo.
Yeah.
So he'll give solutions.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
pero the decision is still up to us. Binigyan niya tayo ng
Kasi
will, to
yeah, they
choose.
give us the
Will
will
to
of
choose.
choice, no?
Yes. So after you pray about it, you have to act. You have to act, 'di ba? Dapat
Mhm.
mayroong step pa rin. You have to take the first, you have to make the step, make the action. So kung
Sabi nga ng Panginoon, you do your part and I will do the rest. Sabi niya ganun. Oh, hi. Yeah, hello mga ading. Happy watching you, sabi ni Ate Odessa,
So,
and hello, Brother Roger.
in my case, actually, sa akin kasi, really, I've developed this character na yung attitude na I take in advices of older people. I mean, I think it's something that it's being taught to us. 'Di ba, makinig tayo sa mga nakakatanda. So sa akin, I take in advices of people. Kasi they already experience things, so ba't di ko makikinig, 'di ba? So kung may mga nakuha kang advices na, "Oh, ito baka makatulong sa'yo," then
Mhm,
just check it out,
mhm.
you know? Hindi mo nga malalaman if it will fit you kung hindi mo check eh.
Sabi ko nga na naman, kung ikaw yung manliligaw, pasulyap-sulyap ka lang, walang mangyayari, nganga ka. Mamaya, yung may nagka-crush pa palang iba, siya na ang nakakuha. And then ikaw,
Wala na.
nganga nga na.
Nga,
Nganga.
nga, nga. But yeah, so
Yeah.
kaya we are just inviting you, because we are true people. That's why we're doing this Go Live. We want to show you that we are real people
Mhm.
with and that our business is real as well.
Yes.
We want to help you, right? So but in order for us to be able to show you how our business works, you have to take the leap of faith. Yun lang yung pinaka kwan namin doon is
Tignan mo sa sulyap-sulyap ko, sabi ni Ate Jow.
Hmm.
Yeah, ang takot busted. It's true. Ang takot busted pag yung patorpe-torpe, ano.
yeah.
Walang mangyayari sa'yo pag patorpe-torpe. Malay mo pala yung crush mong yun, hinihintay ka lang pala ng pagdalaw mo. Kasi gusto ka rin niya. 'Di ba? And you will feel naman eh. Alam mo yun, parang na-discuss rin ni Ate Jow ito noon. Yung parang bang gut feeling ba?
May gut feeling, yes.
May gut
That's
feeling ka,
right.
mararamdaman mo naman eh. Yung example ni Ate Jow nung that was a long time ago, yung pagbili niya ng bahay. Nung pinasok niya yung bahay, I think this is the house already. Ito yung gusto kong bahay kasi mararamdaman mo talaga
That's
sa
true.
loob mo.
That's true.
Yun. Kaya pag ayun, isasabihin ko pa isang favorite word ni si Shay. Kung nag-resonate kayo sa amin na yung mga pinagsasabi namin dito, you will feel it na totoo kami. That we are sincere sa
Mhm.
mga pinagsasabi namin dito.
Mhm.
Na I know diyan sa mga news feed nyo sa Facebook, it's flooded na sa mga ganitong mga nagla-live na mga ka-business partners namin. We know dumadaan-daan sa mga news feed nyo yan. It's just a matter of you guys clicking that button and checking those website ng mga pinagsasabi ng mga business partners namin dyan, or go to our website to www.genosap.com, put your name and register your email there, and you will see it. Kwan lang yun, pahapyaw lang. And once you want to know more, click that button and we will guide you. And walang mawawala sa inyo yon once you click that button.
It's
Kasi
risk-free.
it's risk-free.
Risk-free to actually learn about this business.
And then once you saw na nakita nyo na, and sabihin nyo, oh, this
Hindi,
is not us,
this not for me.
and refunded sa inyo.
Yeah.
Walang mawawala sa inyo.
Yeah.
Guaranteed, 100% mari-refund sa inyo.
Yeah.
Basta nandun lang sa within 30 days.
Mhm.
Yun.
Ayun. 9 million viewers. Wow. Thank you. Thank
Wow.
you.
Ano
Sino
pa?
pa? Oy, Charis, nakapahabol si Maricha. Hello.
Oy, hello Maricha. Bagong kanya, no?
Baka ipakita natin yung bisita natin dito. May bisita kami dito sa live namin eh. Baka kilala nyo. Oh, sino yan? Whenever I see boys and girls and lanterns on the street. Magja-caroling na tayo.
Remember the child. Oh,
Nagsi-stretching nga lang daw kasi umpisa pa lang eh.
yan, tignan mo si Maricha. Oh, dahil business owner, linis-linis na lang ng kuko dyan. And which is
Tax write-off yan.
Tax write-off niya yan. Oh, nasa work pala siya. Yeah.
Sa work daw siya.
Uh-huh.
But anyway, so again, so we invite you to continue to follow us. Watch our next coming
Ano pa ba
edition segment
Ano
of
pa
this
sinabi nila
90
dito?
day 90 day success challenge.
Pero dito sa business, walang busted. Lahat sinasagot ng
Oo.
oo. Yes, that's right. See? Tignan mo yung mga example ko. Tignan mo, may nakaka-relate. Nakaka-relate. Oh. Tignan mo. Balance talaga kayo. Yes. Join Ken and Zap. Kita nyo naman how fun they are. Business partners with sense and humor. Yeah, syempre kung wala kami sense of humor, panay serious na lang.
Ano yung tagline natin?
Baka mamaya.
Ano nga pala yung tagline natin?
Tagline
Why
natin?
digital business?
Yeah, why digital business?
It's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya, join us! Yeah, yun.
Ano ba?
Ano ba?
Galing ng one-liner ni Gino. Ano yun? Anong one-liner?
Baka, I don't know. Galing kaya ng one-liner ni Gino. Haha. I don't know. Ano yung one-liner na yun? Baka, I don't know.
Tanungin na lang natin mamaya si Ate.
Tingnan mo, ang dami kong pinagsasabi dito pero hindi ko na alam.
Ayun na, mga comments niya.
Mga comments niya.
Yung mga side comment niya, mga pa-hype yung mga kanya.
See, marami
Pati nga-
makaka-relate niyan. Kasi in layman's term na lang, kung hindi maintindihan ng iba yung pag-explain natin dito, i-example ko na lang sa ganung paraan para maintindihan nyo kung anong ginagawa namin with this business, or how to inspire you guys to go to a business, kasi mga businessman and businesswoman lang ang yumayaman. Oh, ayun, nakahabol din si Ate Debbie. Hello, Ate Debbie.
Hi, Ate Debbie.
Na-late na naman ako. Hindi
okay
lang.
Okay pa. Live pa kami.
Live
Hindi
pa
ka pa
kami.
replay. Hindi, alam nyo, yung asawa ko, ayaw niya na nagpre-prepare kami dito sa, ayaw niya, gusto niya impromptu. So lahat na narinig niyo sa kanya, straight from his heart.
Yeah,
First time ko naririnig, kaya ako minsan yung mga nakita niyo yung itsura ko, parang ano sinasabi dito mamaya, ano namang masasabi niya, gaganon ako. Kasi ayaw niya nagpe-prepare kami. Ayaw niya na
Yeah, kasi siyempre pag sinabi mo ito yung mga sasabihin, parang
makakalimutan niya rin lang daw. So,
alam mo yun, parang I know, parang notes mo lang yun, but the thing is, I want to be natural kung ano yung lumalabas sa bunga ko, what I think, yun ang gusto ko kasi, rather than I keep on writing it down, mamaya makalimutan ko rin lang, alam mo yun, I don't want to yung parang keep looking down, looking up, ganun, babasahin ko, I want to speak to you straight, eye to eye. Yeah.
ilapit mo.
Ay.
So
Yeah.
anyway, matagal na, naka 1 hour na tayo.
I know.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank
Thank you
you
for all the
again,
comments.
yes.
Very authentic, sabi ni Ate Laila. But yes, again, follow us for tomorrow.
Tapos sabi ni Ate Jackery,
Ate Jackery, ano sabi ni Ate
tignan mo, nagkaroon
Jackery?
ng may
Idol,
nag-idol.
I agree, coming from the heart.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, galing sa puso talaga.
Galing sa puso, sabi ni Ate Debbie.
Hello, Benz. Thank you for watching.
Oh. Ayun. So anyway, again, malayo-layo pa ho kami.
Ayan,
90 days.
I know, and
We're just 1 week.
at first nung sabi ko, magna 90-day challenge na tayo. Ako yung kinakabahan Ako yung kinakabahan nung day 1 namin But as we go with this naka 1 week na kami, I think it's fun. It's fun to do live. Nagkikwentuhan lang kami, parang sabihin ko, Mami, what's the next topic for tomorrow? And then pag sinabi na niya yung anong topic tomorrow, ayan na, tumatakbo na sa isip ko what I'm gonna say, kung paano yung mga illustrations ko para maintindihan ng mga viewers natin, mga business partners and future business partners dyan.
Binangka mo na. Binangka mo na.
Oo, ganyan talaga Ate Lyra.
Anong oras na doon kina Ate Lyra?
I know. Diba? Tignan mo, parang kung lang yan.
Ay, magpapampa ako.
Parang DJ,
anong oras na dati?
DJ lang
Binangka mo na talaga.
So yeah, again.
Sistema Richan ako dito.
Asan na ba yung kuha natin yan? Again, i-show mo.
I-show na natin yung...
Yeah,
ano ba?
Yung website.
Hindi kasi yung comment naka-show.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Then, hey.
Ayun na,
tatapusin na natin para hindi na mabangka. So again, this is Ken.
I'm Zap.
So Wild Digital Business.
More fun.
Less stress.
More joy.
Kaya,
join us.
Just go to our website, www.genozap.com. Put your name on it, register, and put your email in it. And click that button. And thank you again. See you again tomorrow for our day 8. It's gonna be exciting again. I'm excited. What's gonna be the topic for tomorrow? So see you again, and hopefully you will catch us live again tomorrow.
All right. Well, thank you. Have a good evening. Good night. And God bless you all.
And we are signing off.